Okay, so today is day 6, and today's simple. I'm just going to be heading to I'm just going to be heading to my university and start 3D printing the base of the servo holder and then also the servo horn. I might start with printing the face. I want to try to print the face. I'm not sure how long that would take, but I want to test that out. But today is pretty simple, just 3D printing. That's day 6. It's currently 10:22 a.m. I'm gonna leave like 5 minutes. But yeah, that's the plan for today. So it's 5:50 and I got back probably like 30 minutes ago. 30 Minuten. And I went to my university and found out that all the 3D printers were still being used. So I wasn't able to print. And I also found out that it's going to be like that for the rest of this week. And also that this is the last week that I will have access to the 3D printers because they're about to go on break. And that I will not be able to access those 3D printers until around like January, February. You know, at first I felt like all hope was lost. I'm like, shit, what am I going to do? I was thinking about like, okay, I'm gonna have to buy me a 3D printer. And I was like, I don't want to buy me one. I don't even have the funds to do that. But I have a friend, he said he could 3D print the stuff for me. And I'm like, wow, thank you. So I sent him the parts, and those will be 3D printed, and I will be able to pick them up tomorrow on day 7. Yeah, so day six was interesting. It didn't go how I expected at all, but something good turned out of it. And the project is still on. If I wasn't able to 3D print, I kid you not, I don't know what I would have done, but I would have found a way, because where there's a will, there's a way. And trust me, I have a will, so I will find a way. But yeah, right now, I'm not really doing anything. I did make some edits and changes to the parts and set them off, but I would say so far, day 6 was a success.